Okay, everybody, let's recap the lesson for today. I'm on page 345, and we're just talking about inequality. So first of all, on page 345, what I did is I wanted to graph the equation y equals x. How do you graph the line y equals x? Well, put the invisible numbers in it. It's like y equals 1 over 1x plus 0. So I started at 0, 1 up 1 over 1. Okay, and I got the line. And then we're talking about the inequalities, greater than or less than. So we asked ourselves, okay, is this point 8, negative 2, 8, negative 2, which is over here, that's got to be less than the lines because it's under it, okay? Then we looked at the point 0, 7, which is up here. We said, okay, that one's greater than the line, so, okay, it's above it. Then we looked at the point negative 1, which is on the line, so it's equal to it. Then we looked at the point negative 4, negative 3, negative 4, negative 3, which is above the line, so it's greater than the line. And 9, 9, which would be equal to the line. And negative 3, negative 10, which is below the line, which is less than the line. Okay, so then we talked about, what about this? Y is greater than x. Well, that's a whole lot of points. In fact, so many points, all these points up here. The only way we can describe all of these infinite points is to shade. So by shading the whole region, we say these are all the values that are greater than the value y is greater than x. At the line y equals x, and the lines below or down here. Okay, so then we took it a little bit further, and we had a story problem. So in the story problem, it looks like we have a gal who likes to play basketball. So Ben is averaging 20 points per game on 2-point and 3-point shots. Okay, so if she scores 6 2-point shots and 2 3-point shots, she's only made 18 points. So she's below her average. She did not make her goal. She made 7 2-point shots and 2 3-point shots. She equaled it, exactly equal, so she made her goal, but it wasn't above her goal. She made 7 2-point shots and 4 3-point shots. Then she wound up making more than her goal, which is okay, that's good. I mean, she was greater than. So as an equation, we write 2x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 20, where x is 2-point shots and y is 3-point shots, okay? So then we turn the page and we graphed it, okay? So then we graph the line, 2x plus 3y equals 20, because we want to graph the line, and we solve for y, because Jonathan said we should, so we solve for y. Got y equals a negative 2/3 x plus 6, so I went by halves, so I started at 6 2/3, and I went down 2 over 3, down 2 over 3, down 2 over 3. That's the line, so I graph the line, where it's equal to, that's equal to. And then I wanted to exceed a graph, so I wanted everything above, okay, above a graph, okay? So I shaded above, because that exceeds, all of these baskets exceeded, okay? Then we took a look at the equation and said, okay, well, let's go ahead and, if she has this game, she made 4 2-point shots, and 1-point shot, she would have made 11 points, and so forth. 6 2 points and 1 3-point shot, she would have made 15. So all the combinations, all the way down to 9 2-point shots and 5 3-point shots, she would have made 33 points. Okay, so then we graphed all of the points. So we went back to the graph, took all of these combinations, we graphed them. You can see the green dots, all the combinations. Okay, great. But now there's lots of ways she could make it, lots of ways. So we looked at all the individual points that could have made it, not just these few, but there could have been a lot of ways to make this. So we shaded the whole thing, all of these combinations could have made it. Except, we got to be careful. We've got to be careful, because then we looked at the point 5.5 and 6.5, okay? And we took a look at that and we said, well, wait a minute. Can 6.5, 5.5 be an ordered pair? Well, it is above the line. It is in this region, yes, but you cannot make half. So yes, it is in the correct region. But in this example, it's not possible. Not possible because you can't have half a basket, you can't have half a 2-point shot, you can't have half a 3-point shot. It just doesn't work in basketball that way. So even though it's in the region, it really doesn't work in this example. Okay, so that's all I have for today. I had a homework assignment to go along with it. So hopefully, if you want to watch the video, there it is. Come see me if you need help.